You are being videotaped. If this is your moment to get famous, if you mean it, this is it. Let's see it, guys. On your mark, get set, go! Go, Avery. That's okay. This kid is a special breed.
I can't do it.
Okay, watch out. Here's traffic.
Come here with me.
He literally ran all the way across. What a goofy kid.
I wish I could do it.
Alright, just get out of the water.
So
He is way over there.
it's up to his waist.
How deep is it?
It's up to his waist.
Why don't you come back, Ethan?
It's up to his waist.
This kid is crazy.
I really want to do it. I just can't.
Alright, I gotta go, I'm gonna stop recording this and go